Before starting the unit, give students time to set up their table of contents. I usually do this before starting any of the lessons. I also use Appendix B, the glossary. Type up or copy the vocabulary to have students paste in the back or front of their science notebooks. To save time, type up the focus question for all the lessons for your students. Pass them out and have the students paste them in the correct spot upon beginning your lesson. I have the notebook I made during the training to help guide me, but it's very helpful to students if you are notebooking with them. After each lesson, I discuss as a whole group their findings and record them in my science notebook. Often the focus question is difficult. I'll work with them to get them started using a sentence starter. Encourage your students to label their drawings and illustrations like real scientists.